Welcome to my Ninja SS401 Foodie Power Blender Ultimate System review. If you're looking for a kitchen powerhouse that can handle all your blending and food processing needs, you might want to check out the Ninja Foodi Power Blender. This versatile machine packs a punch with its 1,600 peak watt motor, ready to tackle everything from smoothies to dough. You'll love the 72-ounce glass pitcher that's perfect for family-sized batches. And when you're on the go, the personal-sized cups are a game changer for quick smoothies. The Foodi Power Blender doesn't just blend, it's got 6 different functions to help you create spreads, shakes, and more. What sets this blender apart is its smart, torquey technology. It powers through tough ingredients without stalling, so you can say goodbye to those annoying blender jams. The XL Smoothie Bowl Maker is a neat addition, letting you whip up thick, creamy bowls with less liquid. You've got plenty of control with the variable speed settings and 7 preset programs. Whether you're chopping veggies or blending a protein shake, there's a setting for that. The hybrid edge blades make short work of frozen fruits, ice, and even nuts. Plus, with 7 speed settings, you can fine-tune the consistency of your creations. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. From liquefying to emulsifying, this blender handles it all with ease. The Ninja's robust 1,600 peak watt motor ensures you'll never encounter a stall, even when processing tough ingredients. You can confidently toss in frozen fruits, ice cubes, or hard vegetables without worrying about overworking the machine. This forceful motor translates to quicker blend times and smoother results for your smoothies, sauces, and purees. It also allows you to tackle heavy-duty tasks like kneading dough or grinding nuts with impressive efficiency. The motor strength of the Ninja SS401 contributes to the blender's versatility, enabling you to switch between different functions seamlessly. Whether you're making a quick smoothie or preparing a large batch of soup, the powerful motor has got you covered. Ever craved a thick, creamy smoothie bowl, but struggled to get the right consistency? The Ninja Blender's XL Smoothie Bowl Maker has you covered. This nifty feature includes a built-in tamper, letting you push down frozen ingredients without stopping the blender. You can create perfectly smooth, spoonable bowls using less liquid. It's great for whipping up acai bowls, protein-packed breakfasts, or even homemade nut butters. The 18-ounce capacity gives you plenty of room to customize your creations. Plus, it comes with a storage lid, so you can prep your bowl ahead of time and take it on the go. The nutrient extraction cup is designed to pulverize whole foods, releasing vitamins and nutrients you might miss with regular blending. You can sip a drink packed with all the benefits of fresh produce, seeds, and nuts, meaning you get to enjoy both the health and taste benefits of blending. You'll love the precision this Ninja blender offers with its variable speed control. Adjust the blending speed to achieve just the right texture for your creations. Whether you're whipping up a silky smooth protein shake or a chunky salsa, you have full control over the consistency. The 1,600 peak watt motor powers through tough ingredients without stalling, giving you consistent results every time. Also, with 7 preset programs, you can easily make smoothies, spreads, and more at the touch of a button. The smart torque technology ensures the blades keep spinning even when working with dense ingredients. This means no more frustrating stops and starts when blending thick mixtures. Now here are the pros and cons of the Ninja SS401. You'll love the 1,600 peak watt motor that crushes through tough ingredients without stalling. It's perfect for whipping up smooth nut butters and tackling frozen fruits for your morning smoothie bowl. The enhanced processing lid with feed chute is a game changer for food prep. You can shred, slice, and grate with precision, saving you tons of time in the kitchen. The 72-ounce pitcher is roomy enough for family-sized batches, while the to-go cups are great for personal smoothies on busy mornings. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Finally, the 7 preset programs take the guesswork out of blending, so you can create perfect smoothies, dips, and more with just a touch. As for the cons, while powerful, this blender isn't the quietest kid on the block. You might want to avoid early morning blending if you have light sleepers in the house. The multitude of parts and accessories, while useful, can be a bit overwhelming at first. You'll need some storage space to keep everything organized when not in use. Some users find the unit a bit bulky on the countertop, so consider your kitchen space before bringing this beast home. Cleaning up after blending doesn't have to be a chore. You'll love how easy it is to keep your Ninja blender spotless. All the containers, lids, discs, and blade assemblies can go straight into the dishwasher. No need to scrub stubborn smoothie residue or nut butter off by hand. This feature saves you time and effort, especially after making thick spreads or sticky sauces. You'll love the 7 preset Auto IQ programs that make blending a breeze. With just a touch, you can whip up smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, and even tackle chopping and food processing tasks. These handy pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring consistent results every time. The variable speed control lets you fine-tune your blends to achieve the perfect texture. Whether you're making a chunky salsa or a silky smooth protein shake, you have full control over the consistency. The enhanced processing lid with feed chute is a game changer for food prep. You can easily shred, slice, and grate ingredients with precision using the Select Cut processing discs. This feature saves you time and effort in the kitchen, making meal prep a breeze. With so many convenient functions packed into one appliance, you'll find yourself reaching for this Ninja blender combo for all sorts of kitchen tasks. This Ninja blender food processor combo packs a punch with its 1,600 peak watt motor. You'll love how it tackles tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice with ease. The 6 functions give you versatility for all your blending needs, from smooth sauces to chunky salsas. The 72-ounce glass pitcher is great for family-sized batches, while the to-go cups are perfect for personal smoothies on busy mornings. While it can be noisy during operation, the power and convenience make up for it. If you're looking for a multifunctional kitchen workhorse, this Ninja blender is worth considering. And with that said, I hope you found my Ninja SS401 review helpful. Review,